We will guide you through how to change gray background in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your image in Adobe Photoshop. Select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar, or press the W key and brush over the subject until it is selected. Alternatively, open Select and choose Subject to let Photoshop create the selection automatically. With the selection active, click Create Mask from this selection so the subject is isolated with a layer mask. Next, click the new adjustment layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Select Solid Color from the menu to create a fill layer for the new background. In the color picker, choose the background color you want, checking the preview against the subject, then click OK to confirm it. Drag the solid color layer below the subject layer in the Layers panel so the fill appears behind the masked image. The original gray background will now be replaced by the new color while the subject remains visible above it. If you only want to change the canvas area outside the image, optionally right-click the workspace. Choose black, dark gray, light gray, or custom color, remembering that this changes only the workspace appearance and not the exported image. Return to the Layers panel and click the mask thumbnail on the masked subject layer created earlier, making sure the mask rather than the image thumbnail is selected. If the subject edges contain gray fringes, missing details, or unwanted background, use the brush tool to refine the mask, painting with black to hide areas and white to restore them. Save the project as a PSD file, so the subject mask, solid color layer, and other elements remain editable. Finally, export the completed image in your preferred format, such as JPEG for a solid background or PNG when transparency is needed, and check that the new background appears correctly.